Mercury SMS, two-way SMS messaging in the cloud. Chapter 1, Installing Mercury. Mercury SMS is an application that runs on the Force.com platform. It enables Salesforce.com users to communicate with their clients via SMS. During this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Mercury in your Salesforce.com org. Firstly, navigate to the Salesforce.com AppExchange. You can do this by clicking the Application menu in the top right-hand corner of Salesforce. At the bottom of that menu, you'll see there is an option for the AppExchange. In the AppExchange, you can simply search for Mercury. Alternatively, you can search from other keywords such as SMS. Once you're on the Mercury page, click on the Get It Now button. You'll then need to confirm if you want to install Mercury in your production or sandbox environment. Accept the terms and conditions and click Confirm and Install. Enter your Salesforce username and password and click Login. Choose your security level. It is recommended that you grant access to all users. Once you have selected this option, click Next. Now approve the package API access by clicking Next. The installation of the package will now commence. You will shortly receive a notification that your installation is complete. Congratulations, the installation is now complete. You can now move on to configuration of the application.